being a Pokemon content creator is really tough. It's a very high supply market and it's a very saturated market at that. So you got to find new ways to kind of keep yourself entertaining and fresh. And for me, I've used a few things with the help of StreamerBot to make my Pokemon related streams go a lot more smoothly and a lot more creatively than most other streams. And today I'm going to show you 3 things that I use on StreamerBot to help me keep my stream nice and creative. If you guys enjoy this type of content, let me know by leaving a like down below and maybe hitting that subscribe button. You never know, potentially free. Also, while you're at it, follow us on Twitch. We stream every Thursday to Saturday, so if you want to come through, we'd be delighted to have you. I'll see you very soon. So the first thing I wanted to show off was my speech bubble reward that I do for my chat. This is basically means I get a custom text bubble pop up whenever my viewers want to use this reward on stream, and it gives them a chance to ask like a really nice question or to get like a really big message out there if they want to show off and be all fancy. I'm not going to break down how exactly I do this. I might wait for another video, so if you guys want to see that in another video, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to show you. But as a whole, it will just show up as a specific trainer that will come up at random that I've assigned on StreamerBot, and will also show up as the person's name as well as whatever they have highlighted within their message. So if I was to test this trigger when someone spends 100 of my channel points to ask a question or send a big message, a trainer will come up on the corner of the screen and they will show off their name as well as what they have said in their message. And another measure that I've added is that the sprites will always be random. So first there you saw Hilda. So if, for example, if someone else was to do this reward later on, it would be red. And then this will always go through and I can stack as many sprites as I want and I can make it as random as I want to. I can add in, you know, old characters like blue, like green. I can add in newer, I could add in characters from my generation, I guess, like Cynthia. It would just, you could just stack up all these sprites one on one and one on one. And again, if you want me to break this down and do a really, really longer deep dive video on this, I'll be more than happy to show you. But I'm just showing you as a quick tutorial on just like what exactly I do for this specific reward. The next thing I wanted to include was ads. So for someone like me, I am very bad at reminding my viewers that ads are arriving. It is a very, very big thing for me that ads are so important, because if new viewers were to come in and an ad was starting as soon as they came in, it would really throw people off and would take your viewership outwards. So what I decided to do is that I would add in just a chat bubble at the top here. You can see already a little bit of my chat up at the top. And I've also included a warning sound, which is the sound of a Pokemon on low health. So what this is for is that even if you are not watching the stream directly and you just have it on in the background, the sound will go off and it will remind everyone that you have a 2-minute warning before the ads will begin. And I will also throw in a message at the end of the ads to say that the ads are finished. So starting from the ad warning, what comes up is that if I was to test this and the ads were going to appear within 2 minutes, a message would come up. I know you can't see because it's white text on a white background, not exactly the best, but what this basically will say is that it's your 2-minute ad warning alert. At the same time this happens, a sound will appear on stream that will sound like this. So that noise will mean that even if you are not reading chat and you are not watching stream properly, that there is a 2-minute warning that will come up when ads are about to arrive. One little adjustment that I've added as well is that whenever an ad actually starts running, a stream marker will be placed the second an ad will start. What this means is that when people will come back and watch the VODs later, if they really want to come back and find out what they missed throughout the ads, they can go back onto the VOD, check where the stream markers are, and watch from one marker to another to see what can fill in that gap. And then lastly, what I did is that I put in a message for chat at the end to say literally that. It literally popped up at the perfect timing as well, to say that ads are defeated, welcome back. This basically means just showing everyone that the ads are done, that even if it's someone who hasn't subscribed or anything like that, that the ads are finished for that time frame. And it will just roll on again, and this cycle will always keep going until I hit the stop streaming button, which is just perfect for me. This one took a little bit of time to work and it's a little bit complicated. So again, I'm going to say it very, very briefly, but basically what happens is that whenever a viewer will donate 150 bits specifically, they will get a specific screen pop up on stream that will result in this. It is a wild Pokemon encounter with Mewtwo and your Pokemon being Gengar. And what this will do, once this activates, you will then get special rewards specifically for the person who made this reward. There will be 2 options. It will be one that will try and catch Mewtwo and one that will try and battle Mewtwo. And you can do either or to try and see if you can catch this Mewtwo. So what will happen is that for the attack feature, if you spend 100 channel points on doing the attack feature, this little animation will play. And it's just a whole bunch of scenes put together, just making sure that things can happen. We've also done, you know, toggling Mewtwo's sprite to go on and off, and it basically is just Gengar throwing a little Shadow Ball at Mewtwo, and you can do this a few times as well before Mewtwo would quote unquote faint and the set will finish. The other side of it will be a catch option, which means that, again, if you went into the catch option, a Pokeball will come out from screen, catch the Mewtwo, and we'll try and see if you have caught Mewtwo. There are two decisions from here, which I have done at completely random. Both of these will happen at random. One of them, as you just saw, will fail, and Mewtwo will pop back up, and we are right back to where we started, where you can do another choice. The other one is that if you went to catch Mewtwo, the ball will obviously go and shake, and you will actually catch Mewtwo. I've also done the liberty of including the catch sound as well, as well as the chat as well, coming from myself saying congratulations, you caught Mewtwo. And just like that, when the scene finishes, you come right back into the main game and you see me as well as chat, as well as that chat up there saying congrats, you caught Mewtwo. And this will always happen on whoever donates 150 bits specifically, because it's a cheeky Easter egg that Mewtwo is a 150 in the Pokedex as well, which I thought was a really nice touch as well. But that is pretty much it for the rewards that I have done for my chat in terms of Pokemon related stuff. I have done a bunch of other things as well. If you guys want to see that as well, just general topic stuff that you want to see that I've included in my stream, let me know in the comments below, because this was a lot of fun to show off and I'm really proud of all these rewards that I've done. So again, there's a few more things to show off here, so if you guys do want to see this, let me know in the comments below. And of course, I hope you guys enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye.